Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see part 5, no, part 4 video. So, part 4 video of class 5 max chapter number 6. So, part 1, 2, 3 is already completed. Very important lesson, the dairy farm. We learned about different ways of multiplication. Students, if you missed to watch the previous parts 1, 2 and 3, you have to watch, then only you can able to understand it. Okay, directly if you watch this one, you will not able to find the answer, you will find it difficulty. Okay, and those who want to join the tuition, I'm taking online tuition for class 3, 4 and 5. So this is the timetable. So monthly 600 rupees. You can WhatsApp me to 74186197174 for detailed information. I'll be teaching you class. I'll be providing worksheets for exam practice. Weekly revision test will be there. So those students, those who are joining, will see a good difference in your education. Okay. So go ahead and WhatsApp me to this number 74186197174. Or if you need only worksheet for your exam practice, then it is 119 monthly. I'll be sharing you all exam practice worksheet monthly wise. Okay, so now we will go into the lesson. So we already saw the methods of multiplication using Kanti's way, John's method, and also this girl Nida's solution. Okay, so now we will see few sums here. Okay, so look at a screen. A theater screen is given. A movie theater has 8 rows of seat and each row has 12 seats. Okay, if half of the seats are filled, how many people are watching the movie? If 3 more rows get filled, how many total people will be there? Okay, important question. So let me do it step by step. Okay, first, fourth question. There are how many rows? There are 8 rows. So is it visible, students? Yes. So there are 8 rows. Okay, with 12 seats. So totally how many seats are there? So 8 into 12, which is 96. Okay, next, half of the seats were filled. So half of the seats were filled. So what you have to do now, 96 divided by 2, which is 48, because half of the seats were built. So 96 to 48 are 96. Okay, so now what happened? How many people are watching? 48 people are watching. So what happened now? The last one, 3 more rows were filled up. So 3 more rows. So 3 more rows. We already know each row has 12 seats. So 12 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 36. So again, how many seats were filled? 36 seats were filled. So initially half of them were watching, which is 48. Now 36 has been filled. So 48 plus 36, how much? Is 84. So totally how many people are watching? Total is 84. Okay, you have to write the answer step by step, students. First you have to write there are 8 rows, each with 12 seats. So 8 into 12 is 96. If half seats were filled, then 96 divided by 2, which is equal to 48. Okay, half of the movie watching, the number of people is equal to 48. Next, 3 more rows were filled. Each row has 12 seats. So 3 into 12 is 36. So now the total people is equal to 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. Like that you have to complete the answer, students. Okay. Next. Next question is, in a test match between India versus West Indies, the Indian team hit 24, 24 4 and 18 6 across two innings. How many runs were scored in fours and six each? 234 runs were made by running between wickets. If 23 runs were extra, how many runs were scored by Indian team in two innings? Okay, step by step you need to write the answer. I'll show you. Okay, first I'm going to take the empty paper. This is B sum. Okay, first one, what they have, the Indian team hit 24 fours. So 24 fours. So what I'm going to do is step 1. So 24 fours. So what I'm going to do is 24. How I can write 20 plus 4 into 4. First 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. Next 20 into 4, which is 80, or 4 into 20. Okay. So 6, 96. So 96 runs. So next, how many? 6, 18, 6. So 18, how I can write? I can write 10 plus 8 into 6. So 6, first 6 into 8, 48. Next 6 into 10, 60. So 8, 10. So 180 runs. So 96 runs plus 180 runs. So therefore, you have to write run scored by Indian team by hitting 6 is 108. So running scored by hitting 4s is 96. So runs scored between the wicket. The next one they have given wicket is how much? 234. So first you need to add 96 plus 36. Everything you can add together. 96 plus 108. And we got how many? 234 by wickets. And we have 23 extra runs were there. So you have to add that 23 also. So everything together. So you can put 234, 108, 23, 91. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 minute, students. I'm checking whether I have done it correct. No, 96. Sorry, I put 91. Okay, so 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 19, 20, 21. 1 balance 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6 balance 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So totally how many runs? It's 461 runs. Okay, so this type of question again it's going to be very important. Okay, so next one. So next question, Anjali buys 15 bulb and 12 tube lights from So the electricals. Each bulb cost 25 and each tube light cost 34. How much money should Anjali give to the shopkeeper? So you have to calculate each and write the answer, students. So I'm going to write the answer step by step again. Okay, I have written the question. So first Anjali buys 15 bulbs. So 15 bulbs, so bulb rate is 25 rupees. So first I'm going to calculate bulb price, BULB bulb. So 15, how we can write 15? 15 can be written as 10 plus 5 into 25. Okay, first, so this one can be written as 20 plus 5. Okay, so next, first what we have to do, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So 5 into 5. Next 5 into 10, 50. 5 into 10, 50. Next 5 into 20, which is 100. 5 into 20. Next 10 into 20, which is 200. Okay, so we have to add 200 plus 100 is 300, 350, 375. So rupees 375 is bulb. Okay, so next we will see tube light. So tube light is 12 tube light, each tube light costs 34 rupees. Okay, so 12 can be written as 10 into 10 plus 2. Next 34, which can be written as 30 into 4. I'm sorry, 30 plus 4. Okay, so first 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Next 40, which is 4 into 10. Next 10 into 4, 30 into 260. Next 10 into 30, which is 300. Okay, so 300 plus 60 is 360. 360 plus 4 is 400. 400 plus 8 is 408. So tube light is 408. So now what we have to do, we have to add bulb plus tube light. So bulb plus tube light, which is 375 plus 408. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 balance 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 783. So the answer is rupees 783. Okay, if you add 375 plus 408 is 783. So the answer should be framed as, thus Anjali will be giving rupees 783 to the shopkeeper to buy 15 bulbs and 12 lights. The answer should be typed. Okay, thus shopkeeper to buy 15 bulbs and 12 tube lights. Clear? Next sum. Okay, next a shopkeeper sold 28 bags of rice. Each bag cost 350. How much money did he earn selling the bags? So easy. We will use John's method to do this one. So totally we have 350 bag cost each and 28 rice bag. Okay, 350 can be written as 300 plus 50. So 300 plus 50 and 28 can be written as 20 plus 8. 20 plus 8. Okay, so we will do using John's method. So first I'm going to multiply 50 into 20, which is 2400, plus 50 into 8, which is 400, so 2800. Next 300 into 8, which is 300 into 20 we will do. First we will 6000 plus 1000. 1 minute, students. Okay, I'll do this again. Okay, first 300 into 8, which is 2400, plus 50 into 8, which is 400, so 2800. Next 300 into 20, which is 6000, plus 350 into 20, so 50 into 20 is 1000, 7000. So totally 2800 plus 7000, which is equal to 9800. Okay, so therefore the total cost of 28 bags of rice is 350 into 28, which is 9800. The shopkeeper earned 9800 by selling 26 bags of rice. Like this you have to complete the answer. Okay. So next question, a school library has 86 shelves and each shelf has 162 books. Find the number of books in the library. Okay. Okay, again I'll erase this. Erase everything. Okay, again I'm going to use John's method. Take black one. So first 162. So 162 can be written as 100 plus 60 plus 2. Next we have 86. 86 can be written as 80 plus 6. Put a line. Okay, now we are going to multiply. So first what we will do, first we will multiply. So 2 into, what we will do, yes, we will cross multiply first 6. Okay, 100 into 6 is 600. 60 into 6 is 360. 2 into 6 is 12. So 600 plus 360 plus 12 is 972. Okay, next we have 80. So 100 into 80 is 8000, and 60 into 80 is 4800. 2 into 80 is 160. So 8000 plus 4000 is 12,000, 12,900. So 12,960. Okay, so if you add these together, so 12,960 plus 972. So 2, 6 plus 7 is 13, 3 balance 1, 9 plus 1, 9 is 18, plus 1, 19, 3. So the answer is it visible, students? Yes, 13,932. Okay, so therefore the total number of books in the library, which is 162 into 86, is 13,932. You have to finish the answer like this. Okay, so next we have dairy cooperative. A dairy cooperative is a small town gets its milk from 268 villages. Each village has at least 4 milk giving cows. What is the minimum number of cows the dairy cooperative gets its milk from? Okay, so one villager has at least 4 milk giving cows. So totally how many villages are there? 268 villages are there. So you have to multiply. So 268 can be easily multiplied. So 268 can be written as 200 plus 60 plus 8. So now we have to cross multiply using John's method. So 4, no, this is not John's method. This is I forgot the name, Kanti's method. So what we can do, we can multiply 4 into 200 is 800, 4 into 60 is 240, 4 into 8 is 32. So when you add together, you will get the total. Remember, 4 into 6 tens is 24 tens, which is 240. 4 into 200 is equal to 8 hundreds, which is 800. Okay, so these are remembering points, students. Okay, so 200 is added to 400 into 200 is 800. 30 is added to 4, which is into 6 is 240. So Millie says her father has taught her to use place value of digits to multiply larger number. Yes. So multiply larger number, place value is very very important, students, otherwise you will make mistakes. Okay. So now you look at this, correctly they are multiplying. So 4 into 8, again 4 into 6, again 4 into 2, you have to multiply and bring the answer, otherwise you will get incorrect answers. Okay, the dairy cooperative gets milk from minimum of 1072 cows. Okay, so next the village. Okay, how many pages we still have? I think we will do this in our next part, students. We have lot of pages to complete. We will do this in our next part. Okay, all right, students, bye bye, be safe and take care.